Hello friends, now we start exercise 1.1 and that is sum number 1. So here in exercise 1 there are two methods are there, fixed base and change base. Okay, so now we start the sums, and in sums we learn what is a fixed base and what is change base. Okay, so question number 1 now. So write it here for question number 1. So here year is given, so write down year 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Average daily wages given here. So write down here average daily wages. So year 8, that is 275. Next one is 284. Next one is 289. Next one is 293. Next one is 297. Next one is 313. Next one is 328. Next one is 345. So now in this case you have to find here first of all fixed base, and second after that you have to find here change base, and after that you have to find here fixed average of 11, 12, 13. Okay, 3 years you have to find your average. So here first of all we discuss that is a fixed index number, fixed base index number. So first of all write down here fixed base index number, fixed base index number. So now here that is 275 divided by 275 into 100. The answer is 100. Okay. So in fixed base here given that is 2008. You are taking here 2008. Okay, as a fixed base. Okay. So take here 2008 as a fixed base. So in all the cases you have to divide this 275, because in fixed base index number formula is that you divide this value with all those numbers. Okay, so 284 divided by 275 into 100. So here value is 284 divided by 275 into 100. Value is here 103.27. Next one is here 289 divided by 275 into 100. Same thing you have to apply for all the years. Divided by 275 into 100. 97 divided by 275 into 100. 313 divided by 275 into 100. 328 divided by 275 into 100. 345 divided by 275 into 100. So here next value is that is 289. So 289 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 105.09. Next one is 293 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 106.55. Next one is 297 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 108. Next one is 313 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 113.82. Next one is 328 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 119.27. Next value is 345 divided by 275 in 200. Value is 125.45. So this is a fixed base index number method. Okay. Now discuss second, that is a change based index number. Change based index number. So in that case, you have to change the year here. Every time you have to change the year. Okay. So here first value is that's 275 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 100. Okay. Next one is here 284 divided by 275 into 100. Value is 103.27. Next case, that is a 289 divided by 284. Now in this case you have to change the year. Okay, you have to divide by previous year. In this case you have to divide it by previous year. So next one is 293 divided by 289 into 100. Next one is 297 divided by 293 into 100. Next one is 313 divided by 297 into 100. Next one is 328 divided by 313 into 100. Next one is 345 divided by 328 into 100. So in this case 289. Here 289 divided by 284 into 100. Value is 101.76. Next one is, that is a 293. 293 divided by 289 into 100. Value is 101.38. Next one is 297 divided by 293 into 100. Value is 101.37. Next one is 313 divided by 297 into 100. Value is 105.39. Next one is 328 divided by 313 into 100. Value is 104.79. Next one is 345 divided by 328 into 100. Value is here 105.18. Okay. So this is a change based index number. So in this case you have to change the year every time. Third question is given in is that you have to show the average of 3 years 11, 12, 13. So 11, 12, 13. 11 value is 293. 12 value is 297. And 13 value is 313. Divided by 3. Because 3 years is there, so divided by 3. If for 2 is there, then divided by 2. Okay. So 293 plus 297 plus 313. Value will be 903 divided by 3. Value is 301. Value is 301. So divide the 301 in each and every year. Okay. So here next value is given here. That is a 275 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 284 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 289 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 293 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 297 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 313 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 328 divided by 301 into 100. Next value is 345 divided by 301 into 100. So now find the value one by one. 275 divided by 301 into 100. Value is here 91.36. 284 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 94.35. Next value is 289 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 96.01. Next value is 293 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 97.34. Next value is 297 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 98.67. Next value is 313 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 103.98. Next one is 328 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 108.97. Next value is 345 divided by 301 into 100. Value is 114.62. Okay. So now this question is finished now. Okay. So next video is for second sum. Thanks a lot.